started simple. Just another early morning, chasing a sunrise over Dublin Bay. No expectations, no real plan, just that quiet instinct to go. After days of grey skies, constant rain, and that heavy, draining feeling that slowly builds up. This morning felt different, clear, still, almost like a reset. The kind of morning that doesn't ask questions. It just pulls you outside. We reached the obelisk before first light, cold air cutting through, footsteps soft against the ground, everything empty, everything quiet. That kind of silence that feels rare now. And then, slowly, the horizon began to change. Not all at once, just a faint glow at first, barely noticeable. And then suddenly, everything started shifting. The sun pushed through the clouds, spilling gold across the sea, stretching light over the horizon, turning everything softer, calmer, almost unreal. For a moment, nothing else existed. No noise, no movement, no pressure. Just that feeling of being exactly where you're meant to be. And honestly, that would have been enough. That was the plan. Catch the sunrise, pack up, head home, rest. But something didn't feel finished. You know that feeling, when a moment ends, but something inside tells you it's not over yet. So instead of turning back, we kept going. No destination, no structure, just following the coastline, letting instinct take over, one turn at a time, one stop at a time. And then, Dún Laoghaire Harbour, and everything changed. The energy shifted instantly. It didn't feel like Ireland anymore. It felt almost like stepping into another world. The water, calm and endless. Boats drifting quietly, yachts from different parts of the world. A mix of stillness and movement that just worked. People everywhere, walking, talking, enjoying the moment. Dogs running freely, seagulls gliding above like they owned the sky. It felt alive, not in a loud way, but in a full way. Built in the 19th century as a safe harbour from the unforgiving Irish Sea. This place has seen everything. Storms, journeys, arrivals, goodbyes. And standing there now, you can feel it. Not as history you read, but as something that stayed behind. Something you step into. Further along the coast, Bullock Harbour, smaller, raw, honest, an old fishing harbour, shaped by survival, not comfort. Where every boat once meant work, every trip meant risk. And somehow, it still holds that feeling. It hasn't been polished. It hasn't been changed too much. It just exists, exactly as it is. And those are the places that hit the hardest. The ones that don't try. The ones that don't need to. We kept moving, flying the drone, chasing light, searching for angles, trying to capture something that, honestly, can't fully be captured. 3 batteries, and still, it didn't feel like enough, because days like this don't happen often. No pressure, no expectations, just movement, discovery, and moments you didn't plan. And maybe that's the real reason we do this, not just for the sunrise, but for everything that comes after it. The unexpected, the places you didn't mean to find, but somehow needed to see. Because sometimes, the best moments aren't the ones you chase. They're the ones you almost missed. This is what it's about. This is above the clouds.